Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my husband here, Matthew, and today we're gonna do the husband does my makeup. So let's see what he comes up with. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. What you gonna do first?
First, we're gonna apply the foundation. It's called Huda Beauty. See that there? How you do it, babe?
It's fine.
All right. Come a little closer. All right. So.
I don't think nobody can see it. Okay, go like that.
How's that feel?
Fine.
Does it feel like?
It's like really yellow.
Next, we are going to use Born
Alright,
This
hold on, let me
Way.
show them.
That's a foundation, guys. Whoa, that is yellow. It's really
It looks
yellow.
super yellow on camera, but in person, it don't
In person,
look that bright.
No, in person looks pretty good. Let's see what else I could come
But
up with.
I mean, this how we gonna leave it. We ain't finna blend it out.
Girl, I got this.
But you're moving to the next. Okay.
It's called Husband Does Makeup. Hold on. Don't move. Next, we are gonna use concealer. It's called Born This Way.
What are you using?
We're using Wet n Wild powder. Let's go with this.
I don't know. You gotta do it yourself.
Okay.
What color is that powder in? Banana? I think it's banana.
It's called Banana.
No, baby. This is where it's called banana at the bottom.
But it says right here too, though. Banana.
Oh, okay, you're right. You're right.
See, guys, I was right. It says banana right there. Try to correct me with your own makeup, girl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow.
Next, what are you using? Oh, this is Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, powder foundation.
This is called Estee Lauder Powder Foundation.
You concentrating?
Yeah, girl. Trying to get this right. Because after this, you're going to have to pay me.
Mm-hmm.
Get some money.
So why do you use this? Why do you use this powder after foundation?
I don't know. You tell me why we use it. Supposed to be walking me through this. I'm just doing it.
You gotta do this by yourself.
Alright.
Okay.
Yes.
I mean, okay.
What is this?
That is my contour powder.
Okay. Why this?
We have lots of brushes here. You don't have to use the same one, you know.
She is right. She has a lot of different brushes, guys.
Yeah.
Like this?
Let me turn this way.
What'd you say? Alright guys, I'm feeling myself, feeling my groove over here. Now,
That's blush.
we'll do a little brush.
Remember, it's really pigmented, and so be careful. A little bit goes a long way.
Alright, now we're gonna do the eyes. Some Morphe palette. Probably more nude colors.
Yeah, the little brushes, anyway you want, really.
Alright, so right now what the look I'm going for is to match your hair. Okay?
Okay, alright.
Let's see, I think. Look at me. Close your eyes. Picture me. Alright. I think this one. Good. Alright, close your eyes. I'm not more of like makeup artist, but I do a little some. I know how to.
What?
I
You
know-
know how to what?
I know how to blend those colors just right, girl.
I don't think that's what you're about to say.
I know how to twitch those little together, a little something. Now close your eyes and do the other one real quick. See me? I could blend the colors and do that little eye swirl with the black line at the bottom. How you do it? We're gonna do that too.
What eye swirl?
You know where you do that little line in the corner, be all pointy. Yeah, might poke your eye out though.
That's
Close
what
your eye,
I'm
girl.
afraid of.
It's supposed to be like a little, what's it called? How you do people makeup? Makeup and tea?
Makeup what?
Makeup and tea where you do a little talking.
Makeup and tea?
Girl, you know what I'm talking about.
What?
You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, close your eye.
Like a tutorial?
Like, hold on. Because I got a lot to do.
You need darker?
What about the eyelashes? Where's about that line that goes right there?
I'm thinking we need to skip lashes.
No, I need to do them because I have to bring the face out. So, come on. Which one should I pick? Talking about I'll skip them. They're right there on the table ready for me. You see that guy? Which one should we get? What are these called? Waspy?
Wispy.
Wispy.
Um,
Alright, fine. Let's just do this. But what about the liner though?
the liner is in here.
This is my first time, everyone, so she's not letting me do the full face, but
You just literally did.
so I just did foundation, powder, and eyes. And a liner.
Are you upset about that?
Yeah, girl, I want to do the whole thing. But it's all good.
I just don't want
Next
you
time-
to get that glue in my eye.
Next time I do
Scared.
this, you're going to have to pay me, though. I'm telling you right now.
Wait, let me show them your eyebrows. Okay.
Sorry. Your face, it just looks so, I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
What does it look
I
like?
know, it just look crazy. Your eyebrows look like, bam, they look loud.
You're doing it, makeup artist.
Girl, all right. Where this go?
So now he's gonna go in with
NYX liner for the eyes.
Okay.
Oh, ready?
All right.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Why are you closing your eyes? I thought it goes in the bottom. I thought it goes in the bottom. You over there?
Nah.
You closing your eyes. All right. I got you. Ready? Come on.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Your liner right there. That goes like that. A little wispy.
All right.
Don't move. All right, guys. Let's hurry this.
Let me show him. You're so stupid.
Do it again. Do it. Like this. There you go. Now. Alright, so this is what I want you to do, okay? We're gonna. Okay, now do your lips together. Blend it. Like that. Hold up. Right there. Now do it again. Blend it. There you go. Okay, now.
He added a little bit more blush because he felt like it wasn't enough. So this is what it's looking like. This is what my lips are looking like.
Ooh! Alright, ready?
What's that?
This right here, I'm gonna just do the final touches and blend it all in real
But
quick.
what's the final touch? What is that?
Like you always do. You'd be like,
A what?
so do you do it?
But you already did
Do it.
this.
We're gonna do the setting spray and then we're done. Ready? Close your eyes. Wait, one more time. Now we're done.
Oh, we're done. Okay.
All right, guys.
All right, guys. So this is the final results.
Gotta zoom in a little bit.
Zoom in.
They need to see.
I'll make it closer.
They need to see like all my contouring on the C. See that blush?
Okay.
And this side right here. See that contour right there? That little. Yep. See, I got like 5 different colors in the eyes right here. You can't even see. Blended them. She didn't let me put the eyelashes on because she didn't want me taking y'all jobs out there. But see, the little. Wait, you gotta show the side right here where it goes.
In your wing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then how I blended the lips in. All right.
That is it. So please like this video and comment if you want to. And subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.